So, I've got a little problem. I bought these on eBay, or these. They're identical, so I don't know which is which. But I bid on them on eBay, and they're brand new. I've actually worn these. And then I got these on clearance. So I bought both, and I actually didn't realize, because I got these online on clearance for a great price. I didn't realize they were identical, but they are, and I can't really return either one of them, or I don't really want to. So I thought what I'd do is take this pair that I have not worn, brand new, and try to dye this black. So I bought this dye, never used it before. It came with this, but I'm gonna use Q-tips. I'm gonna put some tape on here to tape them up real good to try not to get black dye everywhere. And ideally, I'll be able to leave this and only dye this outside here. Maybe I'll even be able to get a nice line right here. I don't know how this is gonna play out, but I'm gonna try. So let's see if you can dye these and make yourself a custom pair of flip-flops. Stay tuned. This is the second one of the pair, and it came out perfect. I ended up using a paintbrush, not the Q-tip, so that I could really get the detail in there. And when I went for the line around the stitching, I figured I'll try to get it. If it looks good, great. I could always go back and just dye that area black, but it came out perfect. So I have this nice little tan line where the stitching is, which kind of gives it a little bit of accent. The dye absorbs into the leather, but it doesn't really run. It pretty much stays where you put it. Kind of like watercolors. If you've ever painted with watercolors, it's a similar experience. The difficult part was right around the edge here, because I didn't want to get any dye on the inside of the leather, you know, the additional piece that they put in there that touches your skin. And that was actually pretty difficult. It just had to go slow. If you're wondering, it takes 18 minutes, or it took me 18 minutes to do this. I know that because the video was in normal speed, and it's an 18-minute video. But I really couldn't be happier. I think it came out really, really nice. At the end of the video here, I'll give you a view out in the sun where you can really see the detail. But I would do this again. It was a mistake buying two pairs of flip-flops exactly the same, but it was fun. Anyway, stay tuned to the end. You get a really, really good view of it. But like I said, anyone can do this, and I'll put the link to the dye down in the notes, and I'll also, the paintbrush just came from Amazon. I'll put the link for that too, because that's where I got them. And there you go. That's the before and after. I think they have a really cool look to them. Wait until you see them out in the sun. But mission accomplished. See how the stitching kind of stands out, the way that I did not dye the area under the stitching? You really can't tell that the you can tell that this is brownish, what they call Java, and that's black. In the sun, you can really tell that it's black. Now your foot's gonna be in there, so it's probably gonna look like it's just black and tan. But I think they came out outstanding. And I did this because I didn't want anything to touch my skin that I dyed, because I was concerned that it would come off on my skin at some point, but I'm pretty pleased. I think that came out really nice. All right, well, crafts with Bobby. Stay tuned. See you next time. Had to give you one more view here. Please subscribe. See ya.